Okay, here's some willows. Pretty.
Did you get this?
Yeah, I got it. And again, look how
That
deep.
must be their seeds.
Yeah, could be.
Show their seeds.
Yeah, could be the seeds. And then I don't know what that was. And that's the end here.
This is an island.
And
The trail's
I guess,
not very much used.
I guess if you want to push by these leaves, you can go up there. Yeah, I'll go through a bit to this step. There we go. And that's where the boardwalk ends. And the steps, sandy steps, begin up here. Oh wait, there's something up here. What is that? Oh, there's a little bench. You could go from here that way, or from the bench this way. But I'd rather go back down that way. I don't feel like walking on sand today. Too hot. Okay. Oh, I missed a bluish purple flower. Beautiful.